Afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you this afternoon?
I'm fine. Thank you.
Okay, this afternoon I want to ask about our school. Our school. Okay, I want to see the question. Sebenarnya pertanyaannya, are you a student?
Yes, I am.
What time do you wake up in the morning?
I wake up at 6 o'clock.
What time do you go to school?
I go to school 7 o'clock.
With whom do you go to school?
I go to school with my friends.
What do you do at school?
At school, I study.
With whom do you study?
I study with my friends.
Okay. Do you like study?
Yes, I do.
Okay. What subject do you like best?
I like English best.
Okay. How many students are at your classroom?
About 20 study.
What time do you go home?
I go home at 2 o'clock.
How do you go home?
I go home on foot.
Okay. What do you do when you arrive at home?
I get my friends.
Okay. What do you do in the afternoon?
I play
Okay. With whom do you play?
with my friends.
Okay. What do you do in the night?
Study electricity.
What time do you go to sleep?
I go to sleep at 10 o'clock.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Chef.
Are you a student?
Yes,
What time do you wake up in the morning?
I wake up at 6 o'clock.
What time do you go to school?
I go to school 7 o'clock.
With whom do you go to school?
I go to school with my friends.
What do you do at school?
At school, I student.
With whom do you go to study? With whom do you study?
I study with my friends.
Okay. Do you like study?
Yes, I do.
What subject do you like best?
I like English best.
How many students are at your classroom?
Good student.
What time do you go home?
I go home at
2 o'clock.
2 o'clock.
Okay. How do you go home?
I go home on foot.
Yeah. What do you do when arrive at home?
I take pray at reach.
Okay. What do you do in the afternoon?
I play
Yeah. With whom do you play?
with my friend.
Okay. What do you do in the night?
Student egg waiting.
What time do you go to sleep?
I go to sleep at 10 o'clock.
Yeah. Okay, lagi, please.